Hi there. The KOKONI SOTA 3D printer is a great option for anyone looking to get started in the world of 3D printing. It's a compact and stylish printer that is easy to use and produces high-quality prints with great precision and detail. The printer has a maximum build volume of 90 by 110 by 110 mm and can print at a resolution of up to 50 microns. One of the standout features of the KOKONI SOTA 3D printer is its intuitive touchscreen interface. The 3.5-inch screen is responsive and easy to navigate, making it simple to adjust settings and customize prints. Even if you're new to 3D printing, you'll have no trouble figuring out how to use this printer. Another benefit of the KOKONI SOTA 3D printer is its compatibility with a variety of filaments. It can handle PLA, ABS, TPU, and PEEK, giving you the freedom to experiment with different materials and create a range of projects. I found that the printer was able to handle different filaments with ease and consistently produced high-quality prints. Safety is also a top priority with the KOKONI SOTA 3D printer. The printer has a fully enclosed printing area, which helps prevent accidental injuries while the printer is in use. Additionally, the printer has an automatic shut-off feature, which helps conserve energy and prevents potential safety hazards. One of the most attractive aspects of the KOKONI SOTA 3D printer is its affordability. Priced at around $200, this printer is significantly cheaper than many other 3D printers on the market. Overall, the KOKONI SOTA 3D printer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to get started with 3D printing. Its affordable price point, user-friendly interface, compatibility with a variety of filaments, and safety features make it a great option for beginners and professionals alike.